I think I would really need to slow down my speed. It's really fucking crazy. But actually, I think the snow 1 year before was definitely stronger than this one. Trying their best to struggle until the Orient. Yeah, but I really need to get a really nice balance. For periods, I might fall down all over my bike. I think this is one of our most beautiful buildings on campus. Oops. Oh my god. Oops. Really need to try to get a nice balance when I'm trying to change direction in this kind of weather. And of course, people playing snowball fight. Oh, nice. Fast. Compared to what I saw before. Yeah, so I think I also made the right decision to come out at this time. Not when it's really hard to move forward.
While you're trying to cycle all the way.
Let's see our beautiful forest. Oh my god, so cold. Let's see, let's take this then. Headaches. Oh my god. Oops. I always hate to this bad. Oops. Sorry. Holy shit. Okay, let's get to the campus. Kind of, yeah. I need to get a little bit warm inside now.
Ja, mag ik? Ja, because ik ben blij. Oké, ik ga naar de lekker mee. Mag het? Succes. Ik app dan wel even welke pizza's er zijn en hoe duur ze zijn en zo. Ik hoop het goed.
Okay, for now I would like to show you my most favorite running route in the winter, which is a little bit hard to run, and I hope I have enough battery for this journey. We start from snow, which is thicker than in the campus, and that is definitely because that this area is less damped by the pedestrian like the student in the campus, which make it a little bit hard for me to hold the camera. I turn around. On right side, that kind of strange building is a really kind of the typical building for student housing here. This one is Asus Park. Okay, let's see if I can successfully turn around in this kind of situation. Okay, first turn checked. Oh my god, this is damn hard. And soon I'm going to enter a part which is a slope, which I really worry if I can handle it. Okay, but now you see the beautiful housing. I already wanted to take this video already a year before, but then the snow was too thick and the snow is flying into my eyes so hard that I just cannot move on to even like 2 meters with the effort when I was trying to do such thing. Okay, but yeah, let's see. If I'm gonna fall, I would pause my camera before falling down and then take again. Yeah, shit. Now you can see really beautiful family farms just beside their housing. I think this part is really typical with a lot of traditional housing that is common in Netherlands, where they really happily. Oh, but I cannot see their houses now. Maybe they have their house inside now. Oh, one thing. I also hope that the temperature is not going to be too cold, which make my camera more function. That means, yeah, the life of battery just getting shorter and shorter. Let's see. But at the same time, it's also quite hard or risky to cycle even just a little bit faster. Oh my god. But you can see that people in Netherlands are really made for cycling. Even for this kind of weather, they are pedaling hard until their destination. Yeah, but I cannot really see any houses and their deers. Yeah. Normally it should be the Wageningen Nala in Japan. Oh, wait, but you can see the deers. On the left side, they are still there. Oh my god, maybe I should take a photo later. Yeah, that should be a really rare landscape. Now it's already 6 minutes. I really hope this is not going to be a video as long as like 1 hour or something. I don't believe my battery could last until then. Yeah, maybe I won't have time to turn back and then take the photos quality is, but they're really good. Let's see. Oh, but you can see there are still some hoses over there. Really hot. Really hot. Pedaling with only one hand, another hand with my camera. I think this quality definitely makes better compared to the. I mean, it definitely works better with the GoPro with the stabilized screen, but for that kind of cheap sport cam, my camera still works better compared to that kind of camera. Okay, Wageningen Hoch. This is the part that I'm indeed running every day. And I hope you can also see it in my vlog this time. Oh my god, this is just really, but you can see it's hot but at the same time beautiful. You can see all the interesting houses here. They looks not only strange, but I think there are also some functional unit included in the design. And they are beautiful, according to my own opinion. But yeah, well, they are indeed beautiful. Oh my god, I need to pedal harder. Yeah, but you can see what kind of gezellig landscape now we have in the Netherlands. Okay, oh my god, shit. Already 10 minutes. No, I want it only to become like 20 minutes, not 30 minutes. But you see, this is really like the word for fairy tale. But it's really hard to get forward. I really hope someone can help me take the camera, but yeah, it's impossible that when you want to do this kind of city stuff, you can only do it by yourself. Oh my god. This is the most special house that I've ever seen in this area. But this all looks like high level crisis. Highly spent when they were building these campuses. By the way, it's still beautiful, but oh my god. No, I believe it will become easier when I'm going to cycle down, but this is just hard. Just like bull life. When you're writing your thesis, now it's just the beginning stage. When you pass that kind of threshold, then you feel that, oh, come on, maybe we can finish. Just like also, yeah, like marathons that I'm often running in Netherlands. Or oh, this is one of my most favorite route here. I hope I can show you some of the landscape you will see there when I'm cycling down. But at the moment, let's wait a bit. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. And I don't believe I can really cycle down there because there is a really muddy route. My family also knows. I mean, it's easy to run when it's like in normal state, but definitely not now. Already 12 minutes. Okay, let's make it faster because the snow here are less thicker than the one before. Oh, this one, beautiful, right? Oh shit! I'm gonna concentrate on my bag in order not to fall. Oh, the camera is still functioning, which is impossible when you. Oh shit! No shit! Did you hear the sound? That is just. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you can see the surprising face that guy that dude had. This crazy Asian abnormal. What the hell he is doing? Still taking a rock here. Oh shit! Oh my god! Yeah, you can see. Yeah. Now I can tell that why Carmen told me that people need to drive in this kind of weather. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh yeah, get back to the story, because when I was in Sweden to take the Northern Light, it was really cold that the camera malfunctioned or stopped functioning several moments. Oh, this is my most favorite place because now you finish the way up the hill, and then it's getting like just a little bit up and downs, and you can see this boulevard. Yeah, I think it could definitely be called boulevard when you see this kind of road, pedal, run faster, seeing all the gorgeous view. Sometimes, yeah, I also hear kids passing me shouting out Asians, Japanese, Chinese, but always not Taiwanese. Yeah, they say ni hao, konnichiwa, but then not anything more. Oh, houses, see? That's the houses. The love of Dutch people. "15 minutes, okay, let's make it faster because it's more possible to cycle on a better condition. So we can definitely pedal faster. Yeah, at least it's oh shit. My ears are really cold now, but I'm so happy that I can finally show you guys these beautiful places in where I live. 16 minutes. Okay, let's hope it's functioning well. Okay, let's stay on a more proper road. Why people are still coming out in this kind of snow condition and road? Yeah, you can see people are driving slower than before. That's always the case. Important. Oh, see this forest? I know it. Also coming out from that kind of road and then linked to this boulevard. And so on, move on. Such a long rock. I cannot think of anything more to say, but I can enjoy the view at the moment. And at the same time praying that I'm not gonna fail. Yeah, my glasses are already broken, so I really don't want it happens again. Maybe I will take a little break at the turnaround to see how many percentage I still have on my camera's battery. Holy shit, it's really damn difficult, hard. Yeah, shit. Holy shit. I cannot really say something. This is the intersection where you would like to look out for fear that you might fall. Okay, on the right side, let's see if I can pronounce this correct. Hotel Hexton Northern Bush. I think this might be one of the most expensive, most luxurious restaurant in Bali. See, they even have the Dutch flag here. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, let's stop a little bit at the intersection in front of me. See. Okay, this is the moment that you feel finally you are ready to pedal again. Okay, let's show you what is gonna be ahead of us. It's a little bit harder than before because you can see or you can hear that my sound is not very certain if I can keep pedaling in this kind of situation. Holy shit. Also, you can also see from the speed of this car slowing his or her gears in order not to let anything happen between us. Okay, now you can see finally a more flat road where we can move on. Okay, let's get this faster because I'm really worried about the battery. Even though I have a backup, but you don't want to use your backup. Yeah. Let's see. Canva. Got you. Okay, this is definitely the last slope we're gonna have because there is a slow slope up to the tipping point where this is a pretty nice forest. You can see people parking their car, enjoy their walk with their loved ones. Okay, let's see. 30 kilometers. Now it's even impossible to have 5 kilometers, I think. Gosh. Beautiful, right? Oh, I don't know what kind of construction there are now. parking place. There's people really, yeah. Even at this kind of cold weather, we still can see people parking here. Just wanted to have a walk in the forest. I still remember that in my first year here, I saw a snow dog when I was running here. I hope maybe days later we can see that again. It's really risky to have a break here because you change your speed. What you fear is that you would lose your control and eventually fall down. I don't really want to see a lot of cars heading by exactly here, but you still see a car here. Now I think you can know that why I really love this race, because it starts from a slope and then coming down, where you can pick out your speed to have the final. Okay, let's try to get a little bit control here. Yeah, I grip my handle because I don't know. Just struggling. I don't really want to lose my control at that kind of turn. Where we entered where I called Wonderland. Really afraid I'm really afraid that I'm going to fall here. Because you can see that the road here are not really well paved. So now first let me try to keep control. Okay, I think this is the one that I should take. But now you can see that actually here is a really hard one to get up, but I still try to pick up. You can see that there was only one guy trying to do the same thing as me. What I'm doing now. Holy shit. This is really a journey. Oh my god. Anyhow. And soon we are going to enter the last part of the forest. Oh man. Oh, you can see bicycle in the wind. Okay, I think we will soon be arriving at that intersection where we'll enter the path. The point that I really want to show you guys today. It's the most beautiful road in Wageningen. Holy shit, it's so cold. Yeah, okay. So here you see, I think, the most beautiful road in Wageningen. And I think my video for running is gonna take a pause here. But yeah, this is the most beautiful road, I think. Take a stroll here when you have time. It's called Pub and Pet in Wageningen.
Hello, I'm Sue. Now you can see that in this crazy cold weather, I'm still running in this kind of, really cold and snowy weather. But I love to run, I love to eat, and I like to take a lot of beautiful videos and photos for you guys to see from now on. In 2019.
Oh, that is too cute. Can I just take a photo? This is really my first time to see. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, let's take a look at my back. Thank you, thank you. You're planning to do. Downtown Bali. The snow here is the most beautiful. So I really hope that I would not fall down. Oh my god. This is really hard. My God, really hard. Okay, a little bit control. Just to people. Looking down. Already looking. Yeah, so I think booking would definitely be the solution for this kind of situation. Oh my God. Yeah, let me finish this trip. I'm also looking forward to get into this kind of warm surroundings inside. So cold. 黑马 The Netherlands 生活工厂黑马 Oh my God, so cold. And I really wonder all the shops are still quite open again. That was so bad. Oh. My God, so cold. I want to change the position how I hold the camera. Oops. Damn cold. What are you thinking, dude? Oops. My God. Because yeah, we have not had something which each other that let them do this. Lego thinking. Trying hard. People are trying hard to survive. Okay. This is the church. Lovely church that we have. But I believe that tomorrow there's not going to be a market. Oh my God. This is cold. This is cold. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh my god, see how smooth. People are still capable of cycling here, even under this kind of I started to feel that I cannot feel my finger now.